Welcome! Today we will learn how to create nail enhancements using ASP Versatility Gel and Form a Nail nail forms. Before we begin, make sure you have these products on hand, your table is set, and get ready to form a nail. First, you will need pterygium remover and spoon pusher, Zebra 180 grit file, acidless nail primer, Form a Nail nail forms, Versatility Gel fuzzy slippers, Ultra Birchwood manicure sticks, Lumina rechargeable LED lamp, no wipe top coat, milk and honey hand and body dry oil. Let's begin nail preparation. Start by gently pushing back the cuticle. Gently scrape away any loosened cuticle from the nail plate. Remove dust and debris using a soft brush. Gently remove the shine from the nail using a 180 grit file or buffer. Shape the nail to desired length and shape and remove dust. Apply acidless primer to the natural nail, avoiding the skin. This primer creates great adhesion and is the first step to any nail product application. Let's create our nail enhancements. Form a Nail is a quick and simple way to create overlays, repairs, and enhancements without the use of traditional forms. They are easy and fun to use with any color versatility gel. Size the ASP Form a Nail reusable form onto your natural nail bed. Ensure the sides of the form fit all the way down the left and right side of the natural nail. Here's a pro tip: it's better for the form to be slightly bigger than the nail than too small. Squeeze a large bead of Versatility Gel into the well of the ASP Form a Nail form. The bead size will depend on how long you want the enhancement to be. Medium beads may only overlay the natural nail, while more product will extend the nail longer. Place the well of the tip at the cuticle and gently press down towards you, pushing out any bubbles. Press down on the form until the product reaches the desired length of enhancement. Be patient and go slow as you press the tip down so the gel distributes evenly to create a strong structure. If the product seeps around the form, remove excess gel with a wooden stick or smooth edges with a gel brush. Allowing product to remain on the skin can cause lifting. Cure for 60 seconds with the Lumina lamp when complete. Once the product is cured, gently remove the ASP Form a Nail reusable form by gently squeezing the edge and slightly twisting until it easily pops off. Repeat all steps for each finger. Go slow. Keep pressure at the cuticle to avoid the gel seeping out at the top and sides of the form. Cure for 60 seconds. Once the forms are removed, turn the hand over and cure for 60 seconds. Shape the perimeter of the nail with a 180 grit file. Versatility Gel is very easy to file, so be gentle and careful to avoid removing too much product. Smooth the surface of the nail if needed and remove dust. Apply no wipe top coat to ensure to cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds when complete. Finish the look with milk and honey dry oil. Apply at the cuticle and massage into the surrounding skin. Now it's your turn to form a nail. Share with us at ASP Nail.